Hello everyone, thanks for visiting back our channel. In this video we would like to show you how we manufacture our handmade sarong, especially spiral tie-dye sarong. So in the end you will understand how we manufacture our products. First start preparing the fabrics. Generally, all type of sarong that we produce are cut for 2 meter long. Because our sarong size is one fits to all. The sarong material is 100% second rayon fabric. The characteristic of the sarong is elastic, thin, and versatile. Able to use in many different ways. So, sarong are pretty helpful to bring along into your day-to-day. After preparing the fabrics, let's move into the next process. Coating the fabrics is an essential part of making a sarong. The aim of coating is to make the fabrics involves fixation process. Fixation in garment industry is a process to make the color of the fabrics stay permanent. While coating, we must use water glass as the catalyst. The result of fixation is not only the color stay permanent, but also it adds glossy touch on the fabric. However, to involves fixation process there are 2 material that we can use: water glass and baking soda. Water glass is one of chemical mixture for such compounds in chemistry world that have a wide variety of uses, such as cement, passive fire protection, and lumber processing. Using water glass in garment industry will give an advantage in your production process. Then, we can continue into the next process, which is spiral the fabrics. Lay the fabrics perfectly on top of the table. Then pinch the fabrics and make your hand like you're turning on a gas stove. Make sure it is pinched perfectly, until it makes rounded shape. In the end, you will see a fabrics that look like a rose shape beautifully. After that, tie the fabrics using a rubber band. The purpose of tying is to make the rose shape we have done before is not messy when we move it. Then, we come to the next process, which is color mixing. Color mixing have a purpose to make strong color when applied on the rayon fabrics and make the color have a neat result. Our factory are using Manutex, Precision, water glass, and powder dyes. We must measure each weight of the powder dyes and the chemical before mixing it. The more weight of the material, that more it enhance the strength of the color. After done with measurement, put it into a bottle. After that, we can begin into the coloring process. Put the dyed fabrics and lay it on the table neatly. Begin to color the fabrics by squeezing the bottle toward the fabrics. Make sure to color it side by side. We can mix it with any color we want. In this part, we color it like raster color. Now, we wait for 2 hours for fixation process. Next, wash and rinse the fabrics. Washing the fabrics makes the color residual of previous process vanished. Make the colors more sharp and strong. After 2 times washing, soak the fabrics in the softener water. Softener water will make the fabrics feels more softly. Finally, we are reaching the last process. Dry the fabrics that have been rinsed before, and wait for 1 night to get fully dried. As you can see, this is the result for spiral tie-dye process. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comment section, and if you feel this video useful, please hit that like button and subscribe and ring the notification bell to keep updated with our latest video. Check our website and our social media for more beachwear collections. Send an email to hello@balisarong.com. Thank you for watching.